Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create a course using the Tutor LMS Frontend course builder. Using the backend course builder of Tutor LMS, you can easily create a course. That is true. But the frontend builder is really convenient for some people and it's also very intuitive. Let me give you an example. In our screen, we can see there's a course over here. You can see this is the title of the course, the category, the featured image, the description of the course, what you will learn, course content, and again, you can see the materials included, requirements, tags, target audience, etc. So all the information are over here. If we take a look at the backend builder, let me edit this course. You can see this is the backend builder. Here's the title, the description, the excerpt, the general settings, and here's the course builder of the course. Here's the additional data, target audience. As you can see, the back-end builder might not be very convenient for many people. In that case, you can use the front-end builder. The front-end builder will show you exactly what you're trying to edit and where you're adding it. In this video, we are going to learn how to do this. So let's start. In order to use the front-end builder, we need Tutor LMS Pro because the front-end builder is a premium feature and we already have the Tutor LMS free installed. We are going to head over to Tutor LMS website and from here we are going to click on Tutor LMS, click on pricing, and this is where you can purchase Tutor LMS Pro. We can see annual and lifetime plans. The annual plans start with $199 per year to $799 per year. If we click on the lifetime plan, you can see these are a bit more expensive, but you can understand as you only pay for this once and the license is yours forever. Once you're ready, you can simply click on Buy Now and download the product. Then let's get back to our WordPress website, and from here we're going to go to Plugins and we're going to click on Add New Plugin. While here, we are going to click on Upload Plugin. Then we are going to click on the Choose File button and we are going to click on Tutor LMS Pro, the file that we downloaded. And then we're going to click on Open. Now if we click on the Install Now button, the plugin will be installed. Okay, so Tutor LMS Pro has been installed. Now we're going to click on this Activate Plugin button. Okay, our Tutor LMS Pro has been installed and activated. After you install and activate Tutor LMS Pro, make sure you go to the License tab and add in your license key. In that way, your Tutor LMS Pro will be activated. After this, we are simply going to go to the course section, and from here we can already see we have all the courses. If we want to create a new course, we can simply click on this Add New button. This is where you can build your course. In order to use the front-end builder, first we are going to add in a title of our course, and then we're going to click on the Publish button, and you can see that our course is published but we have no content. But we can see a new option over here that says Edit with Front-End Course Builder. We're going to click over here and you can see this is the front-end course builder. Now you can see where the course title will go. You can see the course log. You can also add your course description over here. And here you can access the settings, the category, choose a thumbnail, a video, and from here you can build your course, add additional data, and all that. We are going to do this from scratch. First, we can insert the title. We already have a title. We said it's going to be WordPress SEO. Then we can actually insert the slug. The slug is basically the end portion of the URL. We are going to simply write WordPress and hyphen SEO. And here is a section where it says About Course. This is your course description, which the students are going to see before they enroll into the course. We are going to copy some text from one of our other courses and paste it over here just for a demonstration. Here's our text. You can see that you have the ability to make these texts bold. You can see the portion of the text is bold. We can make it normal or we can choose a bold text format. Over here, you can make it italic. You can also add in headings with this description. Basically, you have full control over here. You can also choose the text alignments. You can also make the bullet points, quotations, and you can also include links. After this, we are going to scroll down over here. You can see this is the general settings. In this section, you can set what the maximum number of students will be able to enroll into this course. Currently it says 0. So if it's 0, that means there will be no limit. Unlimited number of students can enroll into this course. Again, here you can see there is the course difficulty. You can choose the course difficulty from this section. We have all levels: beginner, intermediate, expert. We can choose any difficulty level we want. I'm going to choose the beginner. And next, you have a public course option. It says, make this course public, no enrollment required. If this is enabled, this course will be made public and students don't have to enroll to the course to take it. But we don't want this option for our course. We are going to disable it. Here in the next section, you have the QA, which is the Q&A section for our course. If you want that, you can enable it. We're going to scroll down, and the next section, it says choose a category. From here, we can choose a category. If I click over here, you can see that we have so many categories. If you want to create course categories, you can do it from your WordPress admin dashboard. Let me quickly show you. Let's publish this first, okay? And then we're going to go back to our dashboard and hover our mouse over Tutor LMS Pro and then click on categories. And from here, you can see we already have these categories: the business design, development, featured, health and fitness. And if you want, you can also add in your own categories. From here, we can write SEO, and here we can insert a slug if we want. Otherwise, it will set the slug automatically. From here, you can also choose a parent category, and you also can insert a description. Okay, we don't want any description. We are simply going to click on add new category. And over here, you can see we have a new category. Now let's get back to our course. This is our course. We're going to click on view course, and after that, you can see already our course is taking shape. But we don't have any featured image. We don't have a category, only we have the description and nothing else. Let's add all of these. We are going to click on the edit with front-end course builder. This brings us to the front-end course builder. Now we are going to scroll down, and from here we are going to choose a category. Here is the category we just created. We can also select another category if we want. After you select your category, the next section you can see an option to add the course thumbnail. Here it's already suggesting a size of the image, which is 700 by 430 pixel. We are going to click on this upload image, and we can upload a file from our computer, okay? And then we're going to click on use this media. All right, you can see the image is showing up over here. After that, we're going to scroll down, and from here you have the ability or the option to add in a video for your course. In that case, you can see if we click on this drop down, we have a few options such as the HTML5 external URL or a YouTube video. If we choose YouTube, we can simply copy the URL of our YouTube video and paste it over here. If you don't see the video option here, that means your videos isn't enabled from the settings. Let me quickly publish this course and show you how to change it. We're going to go back to our dashboard, and from here we're going to hover our mouse over Tutor LMS Pro, and we are going to click on settings. From here we're going to select the course tab, and we're going to scroll down. Over here you can see there's an option that says preferred video source. I've selected these three. Okay, you can select Vimeo, embedded, or shortcode if you want. After this, you can simply click on this Save Changes button to save all your changes. Let's get back to our front-end course builder. Alright, now let's scroll down, and we're not going to add a video. If you want an intro video for your course, you can add it over here. Next, which is the main section, is the course builder. Here is where you can add new topics and add lessons within those topics. Before going into the course builder, we are going to actually fill up the additional data. From here, you can see it says, what will I learn? Here you can add in bullet points of what the students will be learning in this course. You can see in this placeholder, it's already saying right here, the course benefits 1 per line. I've added some text over here, then I'm going to hit enter on keyboard, and I'm going to add another line. You will learn how to use the database. This is just for the demonstration purpose. In this way, I'm going to add all of the things the students will be learning in each line. These are the things the students will be learning in our course. Next, if I scroll over here, you can see it says target audience. Who will be our target audience? In the placeholder, it already says specify the target audience that will benefit the most from this course. One line per target audience. The same mechanics as this section. We are going to add in our target audience. Okay, after this, we are going to scroll down and here we can see the total course duration. Here you can include how long will be your course. We are going to say 8 hours. You can specify the minutes over here, but I think this hour is enough. And in the materials included section, you can add in a list of assets you will be providing for the students in this course. We will be adding our assets, what we will be providing in the course. We need to write all the materials that will be included in this course. After this, you can see there's another section that says requirements and instructions. We can add in additional requirements or special instructions for the students. If there's something that your student needs to learn or needs to have for this course, you can include it over here. And here you can also add in course tags. For us, we already have tags. We can select a tag from here. Let's say business. And after this, we can simply click on the publish to save our changes. Now all that is left is to add in our course using the course builder. From here we can simply click on this add new topic button and it will launch this small window. From here you can add in your topic name and then over here you can add in a topic summary. We have a topic summary and we are going to simply click on the add topic and you can see we have our first topic. In this way we can add more topics. Let's click on the add new topic button and write the topic name. We have 2 topics. Let's add another one. We have 3 topics over here. We can also drag and drop these topics in any sections we want as this is a drag and drop course builder. If we want to add mini topics within our main topic, we can also do that. The mini topic or the subtopic is added in the form of lessons in Tutor LMS. We're simply going to click on this lesson button and this is going to open up this lesson builder. From this section, we are going to type in the lesson name. We added in the lesson name and some text. Now we are going to scroll down and you can see there is the option to add a featured image for your lesson. Here you can see you have the option to add in your video for the lesson. From this section, we already have HTML5, external URL or YouTube video. We can simply select the source we want and add in our video. We can also add the video playback time and upload attachments if we want. If you want to upload an exercise file to this lesson, you can upload it using this button. After this, we are going to update our lesson. Now you can see this notification that says success, lesson updated. We now have a lesson within this topic. In this way, we can create multiple lessons. Let's create another lesson. You can see that we have added 2 lessons and we can also drag and drop these around too. In this way, you can add in lessons within your topics. Alright, we have lessons, we have topics, but we don't have any quiz. If you want to create a quiz, you can use the front-end builder as well. I'm going to expand this topic and from here you can see we have the lesson option and the quiz option as well. If we want students to take this quiz, after the end of this topic, we can actually create a quiz using this option. We're simply going to click on this quiz button and this launches the quiz builder. From here, you can see there's the quiz info. First, we are going to enter a quiz title. Here, I have given general title. I'm calling it topic 1 quiz. And in the summary, I've written, let's test your knowledge. Next, we are going to click on the save and next button. And from here you can see we can add as many questions as you want. You can already see that our quiz has been added over here in the builder. As you can see, you can add multiple questions to this quiz. First, let's add our question by clicking on this button. And here you can see write your question here. I can write my question here. But before writing the question, you can click on this quiz type. I'm going to click over here. There are so many options for quiz categories. There's true and false, single choice, multiple choice, open-ended, fill in the blanks, so many choices. I'm going to choose the single choice as this is a simple question, and from here I'm going to write the question. This is our question, and if we scroll down here, you can see there's the answer required option. You can make this question required, so in that case, students have to answer this question. I'm going to enable it. You can also randomize it. If you have multiple questions within this quiz, enabling this randomize option will randomize the question orders. Here you can choose the points for this quiz. If you want students to achieve points and display these points, you can tweak the settings from here. And from here you can describe your question. If there is a possibility that the students might not be clear about the question, in that case you can describe your question a little bit from here. But this is optional. You can also include media within this description. If we scroll down and over here we can see there's an option that says add an option. We're going to click over here and we can write an answer title. After that we can go over here. We can also upload an image for our option. We can also display text, image, or both. After that, we can simply click on Update Answer. You can see we have an option, but this is an MCQ question. I'm going to add a few more options. Okay, I'm going to use the same technique. I added another option. Let's add just another one. Now we can see we have 3 options, and you can also drag and drop these as well. And from all the 3, you have to choose the correct answer. This is the correct answer. You can edit it by clicking on this pencil icon over here. After you're done, we are going to scroll down here. We can write an answer explanation why this answer is correct. If you want, you can also add this. We're going to add it. And from here, we're simply going to click on Add to Questions. And you can see we have a question within our quiz. If we want, we can also add in another quiz, but we just want to keep it simple. We have a single question. We're going to click on Save, and next here we can change the settings of the quiz. You can choose a time limit. The students will have 1 minute to answer this question. You can choose seconds. We can make it 30 seconds. So the students will have 30 seconds to answer this quiz. Okay, you can also write 0 over here, as it says 0 means no limit. In the quiz feedback mode, you can see there's a retry mode, a default mode, and a reveal mode. In the default mode, the answer is shown after the quiz is finished. In the reveal mode, the result is shown after the attempt. And in the retry mode, you can also allow the students to reattempt the quiz. In that case, you can also customize how many times the students will be allowed to answer. But we are going to keep it default. The passing grade, you can select it from here. Currently it's 80%. Selected max questions allowed to answer 10. And in the advanced settings, you can enable the quiz auto start. Choose a question layout, hide question number, short answer, character limits, and open-ended essay questions, answer limit, etc. Once this is all done, you can simply click on the save and next, and your quiz is ready. That is how you can add in lessons, topics, edit those lessons, and create quizzes within your course. After you're done with everything, we can simply click on the publish button. And now let's see how our course looks. We are going to click on preview. You can see our course is now looking great. You can see we have the description, what you learn, some course content over here. We can also see the materials included, requirements. Basically, everything is working perfectly and everything is here. If you're using Tutor LMS Pro, you can also use the certificate builder or the certificate add-on. Let's go ahead and go back to our dashboard. From here, we're going to hover a mouse over Tutor LMS Pro and click on add-ons. And from here, we're going to scroll down, and here is the certificate add-on. We are simply going to enable it by clicking over here. And now certificates is enabled. Now let's go to our front-end builder. Let's go to courses. We're going to click on view courses, and we're going to click on edit with front-end course builder. Now let's scroll down. And you can see you have the option to add in a certificate. So there are a lot of these basic certificate templates. You can use this, preview this, or you can use the certificate builder to design your own certificate. So we have a separate video where we showed you how to design a certificate using the Tutor LMS certificate builder. Make sure to check that out if you want to learn how to customize a certificate. So for our purpose, we are going to choose, say, this certificate. Okay. So after that, we are going to simply click on publish. So once students complete this course, they will be awarded this beautiful certificate. Okay. So that brings us to the end of this tutorial. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on WordPress. Okay. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.